Hello, we are Group 4 of Tree Integrity, and in this video, we will be sharing our approach to our mathematical modeling task.
As you can see, our given task is task 2, which is to estimate the overall income that a typical Singaporean family with one kid should have. What we took from this is that the family is Singaporean, in legal status as well, with a single child and who are middle class. We also interpreted the overall income as the annual income of both parents, assuming the family is nuclear. The first question we asked ourselves was, what do we need? The information and data required to properly assess the task and get the best possible assumption is firstly the information of the family, such as the age of the child, whether it is single or dual income, time period, area of residence, school, and lastly health. Secondly, we need data such as the price of utilities, groceries and material items, internet provider fees, cost of transport, public and school holiday dates, and CPF rates.
In order to simplify the problem, we have included some assumptions across the three cases we will be presenting. Our assumptions are as follows. Firstly, the child in these three cases is a secondary 1 student who attends school at Yuan Ching Secondary School, resulting in the school fees to be at most $25 per month. Additionally, both parents shall be under 50 years old, in their mid-40s. Thus, 20% of their income goes into CPF. We have assumed that they work near Raffles Place MRT. Thirdly, the child will go out for recreational activities for only 12 days across all school holidays. Furthermore, the family engages in recreation of 2 movie nights in a year and the celebration of their birthdays. Lastly, the child will not be attending any tuition classes and extracurricular activities. Our map solution is included in this image above. We have made use of inequalities and percentages to be able to include unknown values like CPF and savings into our calculations to achieve the most realistic results. Furthermore, we chose this because of its flexibility. The value of x can change easily based on the unknown percentage.
However, this solution, like many others, comes with certain limitations. This includes the inability to calculate income tax due to Singapore's progressive taxation system needing a numerical value and the big assumption that the family will spend, use and buy the same thing and the same amount every single month. Further assumptions that stray from a realistic family experience is also that nothing breaks at home, no one gets sick, and that the child does not attend any other extracurriculars that cost money.
Now we are presenting the cases. The first case is as follows. Case 1, the middle socio-economic status family. This family is dual income, lives in Pioneer, has a vacation budget of $1,000, saves 35% of their income, and a child allowance of $32 weekly, and has 3 birthdays per year. The first category is food, groceries, and essentials. The child eats 2 home-cooked meals and 1 meal outside, while the parents eat 1 meal at home and 2 meals outside. The total working days per year is 245, given that there are 11 public holidays in Singapore, 52 weeks per year, and 4 days for vacation. We take 205 times 2 people times 2 meals times $5 for the parents, and 12 months times 20 meals times 5 for the child. Adding all the costs together with dinners and groceries, we get $10,780. For utilities, we use $205 times 8% GST times 12 months. We will get $2,656.80. For transport, the cost of one journey from Pioneer to Raffles Place is $1.99. For work, both parents commute twice a day. Assume that the child gets $20 per month for transport. The total transport fee will be $2,190.90. For kid money, school fees cost $25 per month. The child gets an allowance of $32 every month. The total is $1,964. Phone and broadband cost $25.23 per person. That makes $75.67 per month for the family. TV and Wi-Fi costs $42.99 per month. The total cost will be $1,423 and 92 cents. Lastly, recreation. Vacation per year costs $1,000. Additionally, a family has 2 movie nights per yearly, and it costs $38.50. The total yearly will be $77. Birthday costs $30 with an addition of $50 for the child. The total yearly for all these is $1,217. With reference to our mathematical solution, we have calculated 45% of the family's annual income. The other 55% is made up of CPF 20% and savings 35%. This brings us to a grand total of 44,959 and 82 cents. Hence, the overall estimated income is $45,000 per year. This is the end of case 1.
Now, I will be presenting the second case. The family is a single income family and are pioneer residents who does not travel. Parents will save at least 40% of their income every month. The child will have a weekly allowance of $25. The child will have 3 meals at home and 0 meals outside every day. One parent will have 1 meal at home and 2 meals outside, while the other will have 3 meals at home and 0 meals outside daily. The total cost of meals alone in a year is 245 days times 2 meals outside times $5 each meal. The family goes out fortnightly twice a month for meals together, which we assume will cost $35 each. Therefore, the annual cost of family meals outside is 12 months times 2 per month times $35 each time. Total cost for food and groceries will be $6,920. The cost of utilities sourced by Weijie will be $205 per month before GST. The annual cost will be 205 times 108% for GST, multiplied by 12 months to result to $2,656.80. The transport will be $1.99 for each way from Pioneer to Raffles MRT, for one parent only. Total family transport is $1,215.10. In addition, the child will have an allowance of $25 per week and $25 per month have to be paid for school fees. The total amount spent on the kid is 52 weeks times $25 of allowance plus 12 months of school fees needing to be paid for $25 each month, total summing up to $1,600. The phone and broadband will be provided by StarHub. $75.67 will be the cost of the phone for the entire family per month. TV and Wi-Fi will be $42.99 per month. Total cost of phone and broadband is 12 times $42.99 plus $75.67, equating to $1,423.92 per year. The family will have a budget of $750 for local activity. There will be family movie nights twice a year. Adult tickets will cost $15.50, while the ticket for the kid is $7.50. Hence, the total is $38.50 per night and $77 per year. The family celebrates 3 birthdays a year, and $50 will be birthday money for the kid, while $30 is the assumed amount for the cake. The total cost for birthdays is 3 cakes times $30 plus $50 for the child's birthday money. Total annual cost of recreation is $750 for local activity budget and $77 for movie nights, $90 for birthday cakes, and $50 for the child's birthday money. These will sum up to $967. The grand total of all these will be $1,600 of the child's money, $2,656.80 for utilities, $1,215.10 for transport, $6,920 for food and groceries, $1,423.92 for phone and broadband, as well as $967 for birthdays. All these sum up to 40% of X. The estimated income will be $14,152.82 for 40% of X, and $35,382.05 is for X.
Now, we will be presenting the third case. The third case is as follows. Case 3, the family of high socioeconomic status is dual income, Tanjong Pagar residents, visits Malaysia for vacation once a year with a budget of $1,000, save 35% of their income every month, and their child's weekly allowance is $35. Moving on to food, groceries, and essentials. Assuming that the child has 2 home-cooked meals and 1 meal outside, and both parents have 1 home-cooked meal and 2 meals outside, the total cost of meals alone in a year is 245 days times 2 people times 2 meals times $5. Assuming that the child only pays for 20 of their meals monthly, the total meals outside for the child will be 12 times 20 times 5. For restaurants or family dinner, which are fortnightly or twice a month, the meals together will be a total of $35. The annual cost for family dinner will be 12 times 2 times 35. From our survey, we have sourced from our friends that their average cost for groceries is about $80. This leads to a total cost for food, groceries, and essentials as $10,780. Moving on to utilities, we have sourced from Weijie that utilities are $205 monthly before GST. This leads to an annual cost of $205 times 108 over 100 times 12. This leads to a total cost of $2,656.80. For transport, we are counting 245 workdays from Tanjong Pagar to MRT to Raffles Place. To work is 99 cents and back home is also 99 cents. The total cost for the parents' journey to work will be 2 people times 245 days times 2 journeys to work and back home. The total cost will be $970.20. Assuming that the child has a separate monthly allowance of $20 to spend exclusively on transport, the total family transport cost will be $1,210.20. Moving on to kid money, the price of school fees per month is at most $25. This leads to the total school fees per year being 12 times $25. The allowance every week is $35, leading to 52 weeks times $35 as the allowance per year. This leads to a total of $2,120 for kid money a year. Moving on to phone and broadband, our chosen provider is StarHub. The phone bill is $25.23 per month per person. This leads to $75.67 for the family a month. For TV and broadband, we have chosen a plan that costs $42.99 per month. This leads to a total annually for phone and broadband being $1,423.92. Moving on to recreation, the given vacation budget is $1,000. The family engages in movie night twice a year. The ticket price for parents are 2 times $15.50 and the kid will be 1 times $7.50. The total is $38.50 per night. Yearly, this will be $77. For birthdays, they'll be celebrating this 3 times a year. The birthday money for the child will be $50 and the price of the cake will be $30. The total for birthdays will be 3 times 30 plus $50. This leads to a total annual cost for recreation of $1,217. Hence leading to a grand total of $19,407.48. However, this is just 45% of X, given the unknown of CPF being 20% and the savings of 35% of the income. Now, we will have to find 100% of X. This is $43,127.73. Given this, the family will be earning an estimated income of $43,000 a year. That is all for case 3.
Thank you for watching Group 4's presentation.